Alright y'all, man, welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. So today is an exciting day, man, because I'm heading over to Unique Rides to drop off Christine, man. So we are finally going to get the parts that was on order. They shipped straight to Unique Rides, because obviously it's a big ass box and I didn't want to, you know, ship it to my house and then have to take it over there and everything else. Anyway, man, so heading over there right now, man. Gonna drop off Christine for the day, pick her up tomorrow. But anyway, man, we're gonna go over there and check out everything we got, man. So I'll see you when we get to Unique Rides, man. Let's go. So as you guys can see, man, we are in Unique Rides, man. Oh, there goes Christine back there. Anyway, man, we are in Unique Rides, man. Just pulled up, pulled in the car over there. Like I said, you see Christine back there, man. So she's gonna stay here for a day as they put that stuff in, and they're also gonna do some other stuff as well, man. So anyway, let me show you guys what came in, man. All right, man, so as most of you guys guessed, yes, I did get a front lip, man. Look at that. Carbon fiber, man. Woo. Got the front splitter going in with that. That thing's gonna look nasty, man. Look at that. All ties in well together. I think it's gonna tie in good with the carbon fiber stripes and everything else. Go down to the carbon front splitter. But there is something else that you guys did not guess. So I did not only get the front splitter, but we also got, boom, side skirts, obviously in carbon fiber. Nasty. And then not only did we get the side skirts, but then we also got, boom, the rear diffuser, man. Look at that. Woo. Carbon fiber as well, man. Then of course we got the other side over here, the other side of the side skirts, man. Obviously carbon fiber as well. So there you go, man. You got the whole thing, man. I also got the back bumper here, the extensions. That's also coming, but it didn't come yet. They are shipping that like right now, so it should be here probably about a week or two, and then we'll put those on as well, man. So the whole thing, man. Now the crazy thing is, I gotta tell you guys in the story time, I gotta tell you guys how this came about, how I ended up getting this kit. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I didn't pay for this kit. We're gonna leave it at that. I didn't pay for this kit, man. When we do the story time, probably in about another day or two, I'll tell you guys over the weekend. I'll probably do the story time, and I'll tell you guys how I ended up getting this kit, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy story, man. Crazy story. But anyway, got my dudes over there, man. Gabe, putting in work, putting in. Is the I've been seeing this for a while, man. What, you guys almost done with this one?
Yeah, 59 VW Beetle.
Whew.
Everything from suspension.
I seen it, man. You guys literally redid the entire car, man. Look at that. The entire car is gutted, man. And I seen the pictures when you guys first started on this thing. Like, man, that thing is gonna be nasty when you guys are done with it.
Brought the stripe all the way inside, like old school paint jobs.
Is this actual paint or is this wrap? Oh, wrap. Okay. Yeah, man. Full wrap. Yeah, that thing is gonna be nasty. I want to see this thing when it's finished product, man. This thing's gonna look good. I mean, shit, it already looks good. It looks 10 times better than when it first came in.
Gonna have all LED lights, headlights and taillights.
Whew.
Gonna have digital gauges inside.
Man.
Slamming system.
And they got the bends over there, man. Look at them big ass brakes. I thought my brakes were big. Jesus.
S63 AMG.
God. Look at that. So they're doing a wrap on this one. What was the color again, you said?
This is gloss metallic charcoal.
Gloss metallic charcoal.
3M.
So they're doing a wrap on this. You guys can see. And then they're putting, what kind of wheels you said you're putting on?
Keeping the AMG wheels, but powder coating.
Powder coating them. That's gonna come out dope as well, man. Man. Rob over there putting in work as always. My dude Rob. This is Gabe's 5.0. You still
I'm still gonna do it. Customers come first, though.
Yeah, that's always the problem, right? When you got so many people lined up.
But eventually, we go back and
So, for now, it's a workbench. But yeah, he got a lot of plans for this thing, man. He got a whole motor for it and everything, right? What'd you? You had it over
347 stroke motor.
Whew. I was at the mechanic right now. 347 stroker. So what do you plan on making with this, like horsepower wise, when it's all said and done?
Close to 500.
Close to 500. That ain't gonna be nasty, bro.
All motor, no supercharger, no turbo, none of that.
No, nothing. Man, this thing's gonna look good when it's done. Eventually, when it's done, if he could take time away from his customers and fix and do this, man.
Engine bay's all shaved already.
Oh yeah. Oh, so it's all prepped. It's all ready to go. Okay. It's always good, this, you know, when you're getting new parts, but you don't like to see it done. She's getting surgery. It's almost like cooking, right? Like it's good to, like some people when they cook, it's, you know, it tastes good, but you don't want to see them cooking the shit. Yeah, I know. Oh no, trust me, I knew where it was, bro. My peripherals, I used my peripherals. I was like, I am not stepping on that thing. There y'all go, man. So Christine's getting surgery, man. She's about to get some ass implants. She's gonna be a lot thicker in the back with this diffuser on the sides and in the front. This thing's gonna look dope, man. Whew. And you guys gotta, like I said, stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that notification bell. You want to stay tuned on the story and how this all came about, man, because like I said, it's crazy. The way it all went down is ridiculous, man. So he had to, you guys can see, man, they had to, it doesn't come pre-drilled. So he had to line it up to the old one and then drill it. Gabe, I'm gonna go ahead and go, man. I'll leave you guys with the car.
Your wife's here?
Yeah.
I'll let you out.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll leave you guys with it and just let them come do it here tomorrow.
Okay.
That's fine. I'll just pick it up in the afternoon.
Okay.
So. All right, man. So there you guys go, man. We are on the way back home, man. So you guys seen, man, I left the car with them. I probably could have brought it back home with me today because it doesn't take time. He was just trying to figure out how to do the put the front splitter on, because again, they don't it doesn't come pre-drilled holes, so he was trying to make sure, he's trying to do it without taking off the bumper, but I'm not sure what they ended up doing. But anyway, but other than that, man, so it should be ready though, man. They're gonna finish it up tonight. And anyway, tomorrow, TJ, as you guys will see some of my videos, for those who haven't watched my videos, man, T-Fat's Auto Spa is gonna be on the bottom of the screen, of course. They're the guys who pretty much take care of my car. Whenever I don't wash it, they wash it, and they also did my ceramic coating. Anyway, with that though, they're also going to ceramic coat those parts, man. So all of my front splitter, the rear diffuser, the side skirts will also all be ceramic coated along with the rest of the car, man. So I just went ahead and left it up there, man. TJ's they're gonna go up there tomorrow about 1 o'clock and ceramic coat the car, man. Oh, ceramic coat the extra carbon fiber parts. So it should be pretty dope, man. So we'll see how everything pans out. It should be pretty dope, man. I'll go up there tomorrow and obviously film me picking up the car and everything else and how it all comes out, man. So, and then with that, of course, man, I gotta go back to my roots and give you guys some rolling shots of how it looks when it's all rolling and everything else. As you guys know, man, that's what I love to do on my channel, man. So anyway, man, so we'll do all that stuff when the time comes. For now, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So some of you guys guessed it. Well, you guys guessed the front splitter, but you didn't guess that it was the whole kit, right? So I got the whole kit on there, man. It's gonna look super dope when it's all said and done. Can't wait, man. Anyway, and then on top of that, I gotta tell you the story time of how everything went down, how everything happened. You guys are gonna be mind blown. Anyway, other than that, greatly appreciate everybody for watching the video, man. Don't forget that I got the raffle going on for the Hellcat wheels. If you don't know, it's gonna be in the bottom of it's gonna be in the description as far as how to enter the raffle. Everything else. I'm looking at these cars. This guy's towing this. Look at this. Somebody having a rough day. Anyway, man, but at least it's Ford with Ford, man. It would have been embarrassing if it would have been like a Chevy towing a Ford. But anyway, man, so what am I trying to say? Oh yeah, so the raffle for the Hellcat wheels is gonna be the link is gonna be for that video. To enter the raffle is gonna be on the bottom of the description. It's gonna be in the description. So if you guys are interested in raffling off for those Hellcat wheels, then make sure you guys check out that video and everything else, man. So it's going on through July 12th. That raffle is going on through July 12th, 11:59 p.m., man. So you guys got plenty of time to enter that raffle and win you guys some Hellcat wheels, man. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. As you guys know, I am your boy Fatkat, man. And we'll see y'all on the next one, man. Later.